Make affiliate marketing easier with this advice. Affiliate marketing is a clever way of marketing that can get customers to come to you and also reward them. This video can give you more information about what type of affiliate marketing would be best for your business. You will find that if you take the proper steps, you can expect great gains. The way to analyze any potential affiliate marketing program is to weigh the potential returns versus the costs. It is important to go beyond simple dollars and cents in this analysis. A cheap affiliate program that requires tons of work from the webmaster is not as cheap as it appears. A profitable program that annoys and alienates website visitors may cost more business than it brings in. Take advantage of press releases to boost your internet marketing efforts. Using a press release is a great way to raise awareness about your business and to reach new customers. There are a number of online distribution networks available for sharing press releases, making it easy to announce newsworthy items related to your business. You will find a lot of affiliate marketing material online available for free, so always remember to sign up for multiple newsletters and e-zines. You are not necessarily looking to copy the moves other people are making or to follow someone else's path verbatim, but you can find some great inspiration. If you want to make the most money from your affiliate marketing program, you should make sure that the contract you sign with one company does not restrict you from working with other companies' affiliate marketing programs as well. If you take the time to build a site that draws traffic, you should be allowed to maximize the revenue from the page. If you want to be successful doing affiliate marketing, you must have solid affiliate tools. First of all, you must locate a solid affiliates resource section with resources including sales letters and redirect links. This will greatly increase your chance of success. In addition, you need great communication with the salesperson. If you are planning to attempt affiliate marketing, one great tip is to give free reports. Have autoresponder messages mailed to those individuals who give you their personal information when they sign up for your site. Most of the time, a sale will be made with a seventh contact of a potential buyer. As previously explained, affiliate marketing can be a wise marketing strategy. Every business could benefit from having more customers or developing new ones. By following the advice in the video and applying it to your situation, you are taking active steps to bring customers to you, as well as rewarding those who may already be customers. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.